Hello everyone, I'm Jason from MainStreetEnglish.com, here with your Word of the Day video. In this Word of the Day video, let's talk about the word coordinate. Coordinate. Now, coordinate is a very common word in English. It can be used as a noun, a verb, and an adjective, each with their own meanings and uses and definitions. In this Word of the Day video, we are going to practice using coordinate as a verb with the following definition: to work or communicate with different people, groups, or pieces involved in a large project. Let's practice using coordinate as a verb with this definition in a few sentences. National and international relief efforts must coordinate if the operation is to be successful. We need someone to coordinate the whole campaign. A chef at a big restaurant will spend his time coordinating all of the menus and other workers, not cooking. Look for opportunities to use the verb coordinate in your everyday English usage. I'm Jason with MainStreetEnglish.com. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to see notifications of new English video lessons created by Main Street English. Thank you, and see you next time.